Hello, beautiful soul. So, welcome to another amazing case study today. And I have a beautiful woman, Nidhi, here who has shifted her marriage in a matter of 10 weeks. And I wanted to listen, I wanted you all to listen to this powerful story of transformation because, especially if you are newly married and you're already going through the challenges, then maybe this beautiful diva story gonna be an inspiring milestone for you to take that step. So, first of all, thank you so much, Nidhi, for hopping in today. I'm super excited because today I'm doing a lot of these case study calls, and it really made me feel so emotional to see your
Yeah.
journey. It is such an honor. So, getting started with where did you find me?
I found you on Instagram. Like I was just scrolling through and I found your ad on Instagram and I decided to reach out to you. And I think I attended your like this 3 hour short course that you
Yeah.
had, and I attended that, and I just knew when I attended it, there's something different, and I resonated so much with the content that you were sharing. So I was like, okay, I want to try. And then I got on clarity calls with you, and yeah, I just went for it.
Amazing. I'm glad that you chose this. So let me just get started with few questions so that your conversation gonna help women to step up taking action for their lives as well. So to be honest with you that your marriage was really on the edge when you met me just maybe 2 months before. So
Yeah.
you just got married, and what was your experience to learn this wisdom at this peak moment where you are actually struggling to establish?
Yeah, so one thing, it was an arranged marriage, and another thing, I was honestly struggling. I was not able to understand why is it like this, or what can I do about it. Like I just felt stuck at that time. I was cluelous and I couldn't obviously go to my parents for support, and it was my friends who I used to reach out to, and then they have their own kind of advice that they give, and it was not really helpful. It was not moving forward. Even when I talked to them, it was relaxing for that moment, but after that, I didn't know how to move forward with this, and I was feeling very stuck, and I didn't know what to do. I was just pretty clueless. And somehow, yeah, when I spoke to you, the ideas that you told me and what your course was about, I thought, okay, this might, really help me from the place that I am stuck in. And it really did.
I'm glad to hear that. And so as you have mentioned, many women go through breakup before marriage or
Yeah.
during the relationship phase, and they think that okay, they got healed and they jump immediately into getting into marriage stuff. So with whatever that you have learned inside Super Queen coaching, what would you advise them? Like, do you advise them to learn about relationship? What would be your approach gonna be right now?
Yeah, so for me, yeah, I've also had like a very bad breakup before my marriage. And then I had the same feeling like, yeah, I feel like now that I went through a bad relationship and I came out of it, now I'm pretty aware of, the attachment styles or whatever. But the only difference attending this and just knowing all of that as information was being able to implement, through the support in the course, I was able to start practicing. I knew these things as ideologies because there's so much books and whatever that you keep learning about, but it never came to actually implementing them and practicing it because it is hard. You don't know how to. There's information and then you don't know how to. And this sort of really helped me ingrain those things and become that knowledge, which I was struggling to do before. And
This is so
yeah.
powerful. Thank you so much for sharing because I think this is one of the most important stuff that any coach or any space should have where they should help people to integrate the wisdom that they are learning.
Yeah.
Because, like I always say, even ChatGPT could be your coach today. Like, there is a
Yeah.
lot of information. You can watch hours and hours of YouTube videos, read books, and Instagram. But for you to integrate it, it requires a different structure and different tools.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that. So, what could be your biggest takeaways from this coaching in the last 10 weeks?
Yeah, so honestly, today when I texted the takeaways, and after that I'm reflecting, I'm like, no, there's much more. How did I not mention these things? I want to go back and send that.
Right.
So because for me, getting on this call with you, I'm just thinking how I was, those many or like the 3 or 9 weeks back, how I was talking to you, how my state of mind was, and how I am now after this is like, there's hope for me now. That is one thing, at the time I was like, it is either I walk out of the marriage or, struggle or go just put up with this for as much, however long I can. But now there is like, I feel this, there are few things that I change or that I understand and shift personally. Everything around is going to change. And now that I've experienced it, I want more. I just don't want it to stop here. I was telling you, I want to go revisit all the lessons and absorb as much information I can and start imbibing each one of that, only to experience more out of this, because there's so much change between me and my husband, the way we talk with each other and even how we connect. I thought it was not possible for us, and I thought maybe he's not attracted to me, and I had this sort of like when anger and frustration towards him, and I just don't. I guess I know, but somehow it just went away. I don't hold so much of hatred or that anger towards him. I just let it go. It just went away. And I'm able to connect like openly to him. I speak my mind. I speak my feelings. I speak who I really am now. I don't know how that comfort came. Like I said, more than information, it's the space of being able to talk to you and being able to imbibe it, and it's now become a part of me. Now I feel bad if I don't speak my mind or if I don't speak what I actually feel. So that has really shifted the dynamic in our marriage, and it's just like it's so surprising for me even,
Yeah.
yeah,
It's
that's it.
amazing. It's amazing because we were really not taught about the importance of self-love, how much everything changes around when you connect deeply with yourself. And
Yeah.
I love when you're sharing, like, I wanted to experience this forever. I think that is also the part of expansion, because once we get the taste of how joy feels like in
Yeah.
life, like you wanted it more. And that is also one of the reasons. It's not about you complete the program, but it is all about you becoming that person and taking this with you for your entire life.
Yeah, I resonate with that so much when you say, when you get a taste of it, then it's like you cannot stop yourself to want more of that. That's kind of what happened to me, towards the end of the course. Once I started really applying everything in few things in my life, only I can see these many changes. I cannot wait to go deeper and, understand more
Mm.
of this.
This is amazing. Loving our conversation. And next question to you, like, I remember that, when you were about to join the program, of course, you have went through the workshop, but then, you're really skeptical about joining this, right? Because you were mentioning that you didn't have job at that point of time, and you
Yeah.
don't want to rely on your parents financially. So
Yeah.
finances has been like maybe a block for you to take that step, but I was little pushing you, and I have done everything I could do from my end to make this
Yeah.
happen. So now, how do you feel about taking that step at that point of time?
Yeah, I think only till the day before the course started, that was a concern. The moment I decided, after having multiple conversations with you, I was like, no, I'm going to do this. I want to do this for myself. And the moment I did it, it totally left my mind, because I signed up for this and I wholeheartedly want to focus on this. So the cost factor of it just left my mind. But in retrospect, I feel like this is exactly what I needed, and that just came to me at the right time. And I'm glad with your support and you pushing me a little bit to just go for it has really helped me. So I would just like, now, like you said, now it doesn't matter. I feel like I shouldn't even have thought so much. It's fine, It's not a big deal to have thought about it or being stuck at that point to have. I would have really missed if I had not experienced this.
Amazing. Just few more questions to go. So, have you worked with the any other healing professionals before?
Yeah, I've had like a therapist for myself.
Okay.
But the one thing that I found different, that I keep going and telling my other friends, I did a course in counseling, like counseling psychology.
Okay.
So like
Amazing.
I got a certificate for it, but I go tell my counseling friends that, I think as counselors we sit and, sit with our clients for so many hours only to bring about a little shift in them. But, I think these methods are more effective if only more people can, go through these intensive processes. It's more helpful. I feel like clients can get to where they want to get a lot quicker, and it also builds autonomy that they can do it by themselves. They
Yeah.
don't have to rely on someone else to
Right.
build themselves to be better. So that was something that I realized. I even told a lot of my colleagues about it. I feel you all should also try this so that get a different perspective on how we approach clients as well.
Amazing, beautiful. And also, this is one thing which I tell to everybody that see, Super Queen is not something you do forever. This is just one program, you do it once and you take this for your entire life.
Yeah.
Right. Amazing. Love to hear that from you. And what would be your advice to women, Nidhi, that, who are hesitating to take that decision to take up this coaching, or maybe like, people just keep passing the time and they get stuck with the struggles because we are not used to seek help from the right experts. So what would be your advice to them?
I feel like it is just conditioning. We're all conditioned to believe, we can do things by ourselves, or we have to do everything by ourselves, or we need to know what to do about our life. And if we don't know, we're not good enough or whatever. It's all just a bunch of conditioning. I feel like anyone should jump on an opportunity to make themselves more empowered or more self sufficient, more confident, more powerful, more efficient. I feel nobody should think twice to jump on an opportunity like that. Having experienced this, that's something that I would tell anyone. It's just conditioning not to look within or work on yourself and cater to everyone else, but just forget you or put yourself in the last. But I feel it's just conditioning. You just have to see beyond that.
Right. Amazing. And also, what would be your one lesson that you might be taking forward from this journey with you forever?
Um, Honestly, there are many, but if I have to pick one, it will be your authentic self, align with your true self, because that truly shifts everything around you and how you feel within yourself too. You're so at ease, comfortable, and you let things happen. So that gives some sort of comfort. So I think that will be the biggest thing. Be your authentic self. But it takes effort to understand what your authentic self is. So that's where I think people need guidance.
Yeah, absolutely. So true. Because, most of us, we know what we want logically, but we
Yeah.
don't know how to have it in our
How to,
life.
yeah.
Yeah,
So,
right. Everybody wants to, like, I wanted to set my boundaries. I want to be, like, very confident. I want to express my feelings, but they don't know the right way of how to do it.
how to do it. Yeah. And I think oftentimes we also think a different version of ourselves to be the real version.
Mm,
That also we sometimes mistake to be our real self, but it's actually, so it takes a little bit work to get in touch with that authentic self. But once you do, it's like you're just so much at ease. I'm definitely work in progress, but still, this is something, like I said, I got a little bit taste of it, and it feels so good, and I
right.
want more of it.
Amazing. Love it. And one last question. So, what could you be advising the women who are just married and they might be struggling? So, what would be your suggestion or advice to them depending on this space? Or, like, what would be your advice if someone is watching right now?
Yeah, I feel as women, this is the number one thing that should have been taught to us. Like, I wish mother taught me this. She didn't probably in schools because there's so much lack of information and education about these things, because this can really, really help you live a better quality of life. If
Yeah.
that's something you want to experience, and very, very essential. It's so primary. And I was so surprised as to how primary this is and how none of us knew even the basics of it. And I've lived almost 30 years of my life like this. I could have, it could have been so much different if otherwise. So, yeah, undoubtedly, I feel everyone should know this. They should educate them. It's a primary responsibility. As society, they probably fail to instill that responsibility. But the individual that we should take the responsibility to do this for ourselves. Yeah.
Amazing. And anything else that you wanted to add for someone who is watching here right now?
Yeah, I want to thank you.
Ah,
Yeah, like because you've been there, like I send you these long text messages, long voice notes. Like I remember one day I sent you like a 16-minute voice note, and I was like, "It's probably gonna be like text you later," and then you got back to me like what in 24 hours, telling I heard the whole thing. So now what can we do about it? So that support is also really been helpful because I know if I'm slipping up somewhere, I can just reach out to you and then you're gonna like help me do it. So feeling that support added to the whole process of, you know, um, uh, but it just made it a lot easier instead of you just have that support and you're guided and you know that so it gives you that comfort to I feel in the initial process of this transformation that is very essential and most places this does not happen, this support to identify if this exact thing you're working on is the right thing that you're supposed to be working on. So that I think was exceptional in this particular course that I attended, so like personalized.
thank you. Thank you so much. And, I just wanted to tell you, it is really such an honor to see each and everyone's journey because when I connect also, we connect at a personal level. There is a form and I get to know through like,
Yeah.
what's happening with your childhood and everything. And now in a matter of 10 weeks to shift that, all the credit to you because I believe that transformation happens only when you are extremely ready and you're so hungry to have the answers. You're like, I needed to shift my life. So all the credit to you, but thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to be part of it. And this is just the beginnings and like, lot more to unfold. This is like the foundation is set. Now it's time to build.
I'm
So
truly excited. It's so excited to be able to use all this and then see how life can be different. I'm just
yeah,
genuinely excited.
absolutely. Absolutely. And also, as a person that I know you deeply, I think you have seen a lot in your childhood, you have seen a lot in your young age, but today, shifting the marriage and maybe creating your favorite career, helping more and more people through this wisdom and taking your counseling much more forward. I should really look forward to it to really see how, like, all this unfolds. But thank you so much for sharing your insights. And also, if someone is listening to you right now, then this is what the coaching space is all about for us. It's not just dumping some information, but it is more of integration, implementation, and 360-degree healing plus 100% support. So maybe I'll see you all in the next case study. But thank you so much, Nidhi, for joining us today.